Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here this is the Amaze queries, whatever I'm posting in YouTube, all out from the company. I'm not creating by my own. So watch this video still and please like, share, and subscribe. Here it's very important questions which is asked by the one of the company for the post of MIS executive. So first of all, I will explain the query and I will let you know what is the use of this query for the company. Now, coming to the query. Here, first of all, they ask to find the last blank points. First of all, they asked last blank points. Okay, that is 18. See, you can able to understand this is last blank. The data here still here, and the last blank is this. So this is the point. This is the point we have to get in the output. Now I will tell what is the use of this for the company. Why they ask this query in interview. So see, actually they are having some data where contains some blanks. So blanks means they are not entered any product ID over there, but they know the cost, product name, or project ID or something, whatever it may be, as per the company, whatever it may be. They did not enter anything. Right. What is the meaning of last blank? Why they want the last blank? If so many blanks are there, why they need last blank? Only last blank, because here is the thing you have to observe that last blank means the data after entering all the data, wherever they did not find anything, so they kept the last thing. What I mean to say that last record. Okay, so here first of all we have to get the last blank they did not enter so that they can think of that. Okay, just they won't get the points of last blank. They did not enter anything. Last blank means end of the day. As per, if you want to understand, that is end of the day. So last blank means last row, so they have to get that. Okay. So they can do conditional format, they can do filter with color, all things are there. But that is not a big issue. But here they want with the formula because they want to check your ability, that how can you get that last blank points. Now coming to the formula, see what I'll do. The condition, first condition is we have to get in this range that is equal to blank, because we are interested in blanks, right? We are interested in blanks. For that reason you have to check how many blanks are there, right? F9. See, wherever blanks are there, it will show you the true and remaining are all false. Control Z. Coming back to the formula. Now, what I'll do here, I want to rid of falses. Right. I want to rid of falses. I mean to say that I want to remove falses. I don't want falses. I want truths or any numbers, but not falses. If I'll do like this, one, what it will do, it will give you the false as a zero. true as a 1, F9. But I want only the truths. I want to remove all zeros, everything. Just I want to the true, but not zeros or any other numbers. In place of true, I can get numbers also like 1, 5, 10. Nothing issue. But I want to rid of all falses. It should not show anything. Okay. If at all, if it is having any uh, errors also, it's okay. But I want to remove all falses. I should not get any numbers. Any number which is equal to or greater than 0. So control Z. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this one. Now I will use 1 divided by. So what it will do, first of all I'll explain, later I will show you what it will give us the output. It will 1 divided by 0 is equal to error, that is divisible by 0 errors. 1 divided by true is equal to 1. So falses and numbers are removed. F9, see. Falses, all false are removed. Errors are there instead of false and 1 by true as a number. This is the thing we need, okay? Control Z. Now what I'll do here, lookup. Lookup is a program in such a way that it can pick up the approximate value as per the condition. What will be the lookup value? See, lookup value should be greater than from lookup vector. See, it should be greater than lookup vector. All ones are there, but the lookup value should be greater than 1. Suppose if instead of 1, if you have any 10, 20, 100,000, then it will not work. So what you have to do means you have to keep the biggest number in Excel, very biggest number in Excel. That is 9.9 E plus 307. This is the biggest number in Excel. Okay. Comma, what will be the desired output? I want to say what will be the output we have to get as per these conditions. I want to get the points. That's it. It's simple. It can handle array lookup. The function only can handle array lookup and some product. These two functions can handle array, that is without using control shift and enter you can enter. That is last blank. That is 18. Right. Coming to the second query, find the below conditions. Last number. We have to find the last number. It may suppose the last number is not 52. Suppose it is 28. And it will be 36. Okay, so we have to find the last number, but not the text. It's also very easy, guys. See, previously I said the number. Okay, that number should be used here. That is lookup lookup 9.9 E plus 307, comma, where you want to the lookup vector, that is this thing only. Control shift and down arrow and close parenthesis. Let's see it will work or not. If it is work, then very good, well and good. 28. There is no need of result vector. Automatically it will pick up the first column only as a result vector. Alright. Again I will show you the function. Just select the number. Just select the biggest number in Excel. That is 9.9 E plus 307. Not 37, 307 actually. 307. 7. Okay. A minute. 307. Enter. Now, what will be the text now? How can you find the last text? This is the logic. Okay. See, there are so many methods are there, but you have to use array for that. But lookup is a function where you should not use any array. It can handle array by default. So what you have to do, the biggest letter in alphabet is Z, right? Lookup, I'm using Z, comma, and this one. That's it. It can, sorry, it can understand that you are searching for a letter. So it will pick up the last letter. Let's check it out by pressing enter. Sita, done. Sita is the last occurrent value. If you have any more doubts, ask me in the description of this video. And if you want to join in my Telegram, I'm mentioning my Telegram group link. And if you want to follow my WhatsApp channel, I'm posting that one too. You can click on over there and you can follow and you can join in Telegram. Thank you. Thank you, guys.